Hey guys, we're going to get started on the handle and the slider in this video. So just like before, go into Tools, Document Settings, change your units from inches to millimeters. And we are going to start with the handle. So from here, make a handle that is 280 millimeters wide by 18 millimeters high. So 280. Okay. And I'm just going to put my circles right in here. So you can grab that middle point just hovering over it, and it's going to let you put your circle right in the middle. So all the holes here are 8 millimeters. So I'm going to put 3 circles in that are all 8 millimeters, and I'm going to set a dimension according to this plane here. So the first circle is going to be 12 millimeters from the center to the side. It's going to be 12 millimeters. The second circle is going to be 75 millimeters from the center of the first circle to the center of the second circle. And the last circle is going to be 10 millimeters from the right side of the shape. Okay. From here, all we have to do is extrude the general shape by 6 millimeters and save this as handled. If you want to make the shape and then cut the circles out afterwards, that is fine also. So I'm going to call that handle. Maybe I'll change the color to flaked satin. And from here, I'm going to make a new part. Okay, we're going to do the slider. And you shouldn't have any trouble with the slider if you've already successfully done the base, because it's very similar. And so first thing to do is to change the document settings, change the units. And so this one, unlike the others, I am going to actually create it on the front because that is the hardest face to do. Okay, so select this side and create that trapezoid shape. I'm just making the general shape here, it doesn't have to be perfect. And let's set some dimensions. So from this line to this line, I want that to be 76 degrees. From this line to this line, I also want that to be 76 degrees. The top is going to be 12.53. So this should be 12.53. The bottom should be 25. Okay. From here, you can extrude this shape. So you've already got the height. This needs to come out by 50 millimeters, so go ahead and change that to 50. And then we just need to take care of this hole. So create a new sketch on the top. Create a circle. You can go right to the middle, just like we've been doing. Bring it over. And that is a 8 millimeter circle. And the dimension is going to be centered. So if you know that this is 25 millimeters, this is going to be 12 point, I'm sorry, if you know it's 50 millimeters, you know half of that is 25. That's 25. So you pushed it over. From here, go ahead and extrude that circle, cut it out. This here, these arrows indicate that it is 6.27 from the middle. And these numbers here on top means it's an 8 millimeter diameter circle, and it's going to go down 20 millimeters. So change that to 20 millimeters deep. If you look from the top, you should not be able to see past the bottom. Okay. And so you've got your slider here. And I think I'm going to make this one black. It doesn't really matter. Make this one black. And I'm going to call this slider. Save as slider, making sure all my parts are in the do nothing machine folder. Okay. I hope this helps. From here you should have the slider, should have the slider pin, you should have the handle, you should have the handle pin, and you should have the base. Okay, next video we're going to cover assembly.